You don't have to wait for Thanksgiving to enjoy a delicious deep-fried turkey. With a few safety tips and some culinary know-how, you can fry up a crispy, juicy bird whenever you like. Here's what you'll need to deep fry a turkey outdoors. Once you've read up on your particular fryer and its safety precautions, set up your cooking space. It should be on a hard, level surface at least 10 feet from your home, with no limbs or hanging objects overhead. Next, determine how much peanut oil you're going to need to add to the pot. Place the thawed turkey in the basket, then place them both down in the fryer. Add water until it reaches the top of the turkey. Then lift both out, allowing the water to drain back into the fryer. Now place a dipstick into the pot and mark the water level on it. Use this as your guide when it's time to add oil. After discarding the water, pat the turkey dry inside and out, then return it to the refrigerator. Before you begin preparations, be sure to allow 12 to 14 hours to thoroughly thaw a frozen turkey. Then remove the neck and giblets, discarding the wrap and organs. Remove any excess fat, then dry the bird thoroughly inside and out to avoid pockets of moisture. These can create dangerous oil spatters later. If your fryer isn't large enough to accommodate your turkey, separate the legs and thighs so you can fry them separately. Then add any injectable flavorings, seasonings, or marinades. Now make small incisions under the neck, wings, and legs so the oil will drain quickly when you pull it from the fryer. To ready the fryer, add oil up to your predetermined fill line and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, monitoring it with a thermometer. Once the oil is hot, turn off the burner and lower the empty basket into the pot for about 30 seconds to preheat. Now remove it, place the turkey in the basket, and slowly lower them both into the hot oil. Turn the burner back on and cook the turkey about 3 to 4 minutes per pound until it reaches its ideal temperature. For example, a 10-pound turkey should cook between 30 and 40 minutes. Once done, turn the burner off and slowly lift the basket from the pot. Then place it on a rack or paper towels to drain. To help seal in the flavor, let the bird sit for 20 minutes before moving to the carving board. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.